going to involve a little bit of audience participation. If you guys can please, whenever you hear me say Hadigele Wakhalaha, I want you to just go ha hey. Till the lion learns to speak, the tales of hunting will be weak. My poetry hails within the streets, my poetry fails to be discreet. It travels across the earth and seas, from Eritrea to the West Indies. It knows no boundaries, no trees. It's studied in parts of Greece. Hadigele Wakhalaha. Born and raised in a place where the thorn of the flame would blaze, where the foreigners not embrace, where the corners lower they gauge, where they warn you jog and pace, where the corners slower they chase, where they twist and turn in the maze with a pistol on your face. Hadigele Wakhalaha. Come with me to my lungs and depths and be overrun with passion. See how I come, no cash, I'm free in the slums of past. Can we overcome? I'm asking, we be the ones to actually be the ones to free our people from guns. What's up? Hadigele Wakhalaha. It's better to light a candle than to curse the dark. In the eyes of the youth there are question marks, we don't see them. See them for they worth at all. That's why we lead them. Lead them to these wars, and what is it we feed them? Feed them our impurities, and who it is we treat them. Treat them like the enemies, humanity will need them. Need them like the blood we spill when we're freedom. Freedom for their hearts and fill, we mislead them. They hunger for the love we give, but we cheat them. The cops beat him, and all he wants is his freedom, so they teach him. So they teach him the rest of the world don't need him, and he believes a disease that he's heathen. Put up your fists if all you want is freedom. Put up your fists if all you want is freedom. Till the lion learns to speak, the tales of hunting will be weak. My poetry hails within the streets, my poetry fails to be discreet. It travels across the earth and seas, from Somalia to the West Indies. It knows no boundaries, no trees. It's studied in parts of Greece. Hadigele Wakhalaha. I'm sick as far as lyrics, and with as far as gimmicks, I'm spitting barrage, and then with the shit they talk and rip it. I'm hip, the hop is living. I skip the obvious women, don't get what I'm presenting. No rims, my mind is spinning. Hadigele Wakhalaha.